life is all about decision making. And for the most part, I make great decisions. So now when something like this happens, I'm finally at a point where, like, physically I'm fine, and I've told the people that I need to tell. Then I did like a social media post. Then you got all these messages, right? This is where I have the issues. I just live my life. And I live it very excellent. But I also I was finding this before getting assaulted, is that I do need to open up more on social media and all this stuff. I don't know, I guess share my life, I guess. I guess the dilemma is, like, I don't at all believe I need to, like, share my life for, like, validation or anything like that. I'm quite content, but I don't know, maybe it can help other people.